SR63. Unpacking. Check that the packaging contains hood with breathing hose, control valve with belt, flow meter, protective film, user instruction. Functional check. Connect the compressed air supply tube to the control valve and the breathing hose of the facepiece to the control valve. Turn the control valve knob anti-clockwise as far as it will go in order to throttle the airflow rate to a minimum. Place the hood in the bag and grip the opening of the bag so that it seals around the breathing hose. Grip the flow meter with the other hand and hold it so that it points vertically up from the bag. Read the position of the ball in the tube. It should float level with or just above the marking of the tube, 150 liters per minute. If the flow rate is below the minimum value, check that the flow meter is vertical. The float can move freely. The air supply is not restricted by kinks or other restrictions in the hoses. Putting the equipment on. Remove the protective film from the visor. Put the belt on and adjust the length. Arrange the control valve in a way that allows easy adjustment of the flow rate. Connect the breathing hose of the hood to the control valve outlet and connect the hose to the control valve inlet. Adjust the width and height of the head harness. Adjust the neck width of the hood with the elastic neck strap. Use the control valve knob to set the airflow rate to suit the work intensity. Head harness adjustment. Use the knob in the rear part of the head harness to adjust the width. To adjust the height, move the pins inwards or outwards. Taking the equipment off. Release the neck strap by releasing the buckle and pull the hood upwards forward. Releasing the compressed air tube, breathing hose. Both couplings are of safety type and are released in 2 stages. Push the coupling towards the nipple. Pull the locking ring back. Change the visor frame. Release the head harness by loosening the 2 socket head screws at the top corners of the frame. Pull off the 8 rubber studs. Fit 4 studs into the 2 furthest holes on each side. Place the hood over the frame and insert the 4 studs into the corresponding holes in the hood. Remove the protective films from the visor and from the double-sided adhesive tape. Fit the visor with the tape facing downwards over the rubber studs. Bear in mind that the holes for the head harness screws must be oriented in the same direction as the hood and frame. Secure with the studs, possibly using a pair of pliers. Bend the frame to the required shape. Align the vacant holes for the studs. 8 pieces in the frame, hood and visor. Insert the studs and secure them by pulling the studs from the inside of the hood. The simplest procedure is to fit 1 stud at a time. Press the visor towards the frame all round so that the tape will stick to the hood material. Fit the head harness. Make sure that the beads in the mounting plate of the head harness are oriented into the guide holes in the visor. Change the breathing hose. Release the hose from the hood by cutting off the hose clip with a pair of nippers. Thread the hose clip supplied onto the new hose and connect the hose to the hose nipple of the hood. Secure the hose clip by means of the pinches. Check that it is firmly secured to the hood. Cleaning. Sundström cleaning tissues SR5226 are recommended for daily care. If the equipment is more heavily soiled, use a soft brush or sponge moistened with a solution of water and dishwashing detergent or the like. If necessary, spray the product with 70% ethanol or isopropyl solution for disinfection. Storage. After cleaning, store the equipment in a clean and dry place at room temperature. Avoid exposing it to direct sunlight or other heat sources. The flow meter can be turned inside out and can be used as a storage bag. An alternative is our SR505 storage bag.